Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're out cruising on the, you guessed it, the Super Ride S1000. And what are we testing out? We're testing out the Gravgrip and all their accessories. And here's the best part. At the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how to win your very own Gravgrip, because that's right, they sent me two, one for me and one for you. So let's get into this video. So as you can see, you can get some pretty sick angles with the super duper Gravgrip. This is a V2, we're gonna bring it up. I'm gonna show you a montage of a whole bunch of different shots, because I took this thing to SeaWorld, I took this thing to Disney World, and I've taken it out just cruising around the streets. And I'm gonna put together a little compilation of a bunch of different shots that I made for you. So let me know what you think, and then we're gonna go back to the studio, and I'm gonna show you everything up close, and what it looks like, and how to use it. So let's get to it.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America.
Okay, so here we are back in the studio, in the garage, and I'm going to show you the Gravgrip. Now, what you need to know about this is a hydraulic stabilizer with no electronics whatsoever. That's why it's called the Gravgrip. It relies on gravity. So it's a very cool device. It's completely waterproof, and you can use it in many different situations. Now, what you do need to know is it will stabilize your footage this way on this axis, but it will not stable it this way. So if you're using it with your GoPro, maybe put horizon lock on, depending on what you're doing. In a nutshell, what this is just a jib arm for your GoPro. So you can go from a low shot to a high shot, and your camera will always stay stable. If it was not on this stabilizer, whenever you raised your arm, your lens would point to the sky or to the ground. So this always gives you that forward look. So it's a really cool little setup to help you get some very cinematic shots. Let's come in a little closer and check out the components, how it works, and what you get with this. Okay, so this is the box that the Gravgrip comes in. And yes, this is somebody's who's watching this video's Gravgrip. You will see at the end of the video how to win this. Let's open it up. And you can see it comes in a nice eco-friendly package with the recycled cardboard instead of a big plastic tray, which is a side note. You will get a mount, and this is a GoPro mount with 1/4-20, very nice. You will get the Gravgrip itself. You will get a second hydraulic gear, which I will show you how that works. And this is the actual mounting peg, I guess you would call it, for the Gravgrip itself. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set this up. You take the peg and you come up through the little tension knob here. This is how you put tension on and set the height of your knob, and you just screw it to the right to tighten it up and lock it in. Lefty-loosey, you can wiggle it around. So once you put that on, you just simply screw the peg into the 1/4-20. Now I do have the media mod on this, and it's not really made for the media mod, but it works with it. And you can see that it mounts like so. Now, what you're gonna do is take your selfie stick or pole. This one is by Gravgrip. It is sold separately. It's very nice. We'll cover this in just a second. And you will attach the Gravgrip to your selfie pole. So that's how you set up your Gravgrip. Okay, and you can see now that we have the peg, because this does hang your GoPro upside down, as you can see. Unless your orientation lock is on, your GoPro will automatically flip your image, so it will be facing right side up when you record it. Now what this little setup on the top is, with the little rod, is you can change the height of your GoPro from the base. The closer up you are, the more of this peg that sticks out the top, the slower your Gravgrip is going to react. And if you loosen it and push it all the way down, well, now you're going to get more movement. It's going to move faster, and it's going to be a little more shakier, like so. You can see how it swings. So what you use that knob for is you find the happy medium, and I find it close to the middle. And what that will do is it'll take that swinging action out of your Gravgrip as you're going up and down. I have found that when I record with this, if I do go a little quick and I get a little swing to it, it really doesn't affect the GoPro image with the stabilization on. It does a really good job of correcting for that. Gravgrip was generous enough to also send me their selfie pole. This is an all aluminum pole, even has aluminum fingers where you attach your GoPro with the little aluminum knob. And this is what I call like a 1/4 turn stick. You turn it about a 1/4 turn to unlock it, and a 1/4 turn back, and it's locked. And you can double extend it to 33 inches long. That's including the little fingers. And then when you want to adjust it back, and you can see it has the lock and unlock. So this is a very nice pole that was designed to work with your Gravgrip. I would fully recommend this. It's got the nice rubber grip as well, so you can't go wrong with this. Now you might be asking, what is this little funny looking gear thing? And what this is, it's actually a little hydraulic gear that can control swing rate of your Gravgrip. I know it's going to be hard to see this little gear. And where it goes, let's go ahead and break this loose. And you will see on the Gravgrip, right here on the inside, this is where your mount is. You can pop this little cover. And when you pop the cover, this is where your gear goes. If your Gravgrip is spinning too freely and you're getting too much swing, you can put the other hydraulic gear in to get a slower rotation speed. As you can see on the package with this one, it does say install for slower rotation speed. And then if you move it and it moves too sluggish, then you get the one for the higher rotation speed. And then after you place your gear on, you just pop the cover back on and you're ready for action. And like I said, there's nothing on this that's going to rust. So it is waterproof and safe for use in the water. I'm reboxing this for one of you lucky viewers who want to get a free Gravgrip. And what's great about this not having electronics is it's a lot more inexpensive than what you would pay for a gimbal. But you can get some real quality shots with this. It's light, easy to carry, and very fun to use, as you saw from some of my clips. You can also get the smartphone adapter for the Gravgrip if you don't have a GoPro. And the way this works is you simply just screw the smartphone holder on, and then now this is ready for your smartphone. Let's go ahead and tighten this up, put it on the selfie pole, and let's get a smartphone. And you just mount your phone in like so. And now my phone can be used on the Gravgrip like so. You might notice this does happen to be level, or pretty level right now, but this phone holder is unique because, and I'm going to try to get in close, you turn this sideways. Right here, below my finger, is a little screw hole. You break that loose with an Allen key, and that gives you the ability to slide the phone holder back and forth. And here's the Allen key. And so what you do is you'll just insert the little Allen key, you break that loose. Now, you see how crooked my phone is. So what you do is, after you've broken that loose, you can slide this mount forward and back, to level out your phone. We'll keep sliding it. Go forward a little bit more, and there you go. So you can see how as I make minor adjustments, it changes the pitch of your phone. And sometimes you want to make these adjustments just to get a slightly different angle when you're going up and down. And then once you find the angle you like, you just take the Allen key and tighten her back up. And your settings will be saved. And you can also buy the hydraulic variety pack. And all these little hydraulic dampers all have different swing rates to them, and they come in a 4-pack that you can buy separately to give yourself more adjustability with your Gravgrip. Okay, so what do you think about the Gravgrip? Drop a comment down below. If you want to win this, just comment down below what you would do with the Gravgrip, and you have to be willing to share your footage with me so I can see what you did with it. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.